Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. In today's video, it's part 2 of the of my PS2 repairs. The first one I was able to fix. It's right here, and I use it regularly. It still works perfectly. And in today's video, I try to fix the other one. It's not quite as dirty as the first one, but still, yeah, the warranty sticker is gone. Somebody must have been in here, and this doesn't quite close. Yeah, so I will take a look at this, but all in all it's not in too bad of a condition. So yeah, so in today's video I try to fix it if I can, and now without any more waffle, let's get started. The same procedure as with the first one. Let's power it on and see what it does. The standby light. Yeah, let's power it on. And it powers on. No signal at all. Let's see if the drive is working. Oh, that sounds very bad. So let's see if I can reset the video signal, and no signal. Okay, and I can't reset it. So I open it up. Maybe there's a problem with the port. Yeah, let's see. I'm glad it's a different fault as the other one. Yeah, it would be a boring video. Okay, let me reset here, and then we open this sucker up. So I disassembled it completely now. I looked over the board, but I can't see anything wrong with it. It looks pretty good. What I will do now is I will give everything a good clean. The drive is pretty dirty. Yeah, I will re-lubricate all of this. The belt should be good because, yeah, the tray came out. So I will do this now, and then I will put it back together and try it, and I hope maybe then it's working. Bad contact or a thing like that, I don't know. Yeah, I will do this now off camera again, and then I make a montage when I put it back together, and then we can try it. So I'm finished cleaning all the parts. Now I will put it back together if I remember how, and then we test it, because yeah, there is nothing more I can do, I think. So let's hope for the best. Now it's back together. Now let's try this again. Let's see if it still powers on. There's a screw left over, so You fat, bloated idiot! There is still no signal. Let's see, maybe if I now can reset it. And still nothing. So I tried it, but it still doesn't work. So I'm measuring around here now, but I'm not very hopeful that it works. On AV I have a signal but black screen, so I don't know what more I can do. I measured all the pins here, the connections from here to here. Yeah, that's all fine. The cap seems fine, nothing is leaking. So I don't know. Yeah, maybe it's just dead. So I will look a little further, and then if I find something I report back, and if not I put it back together again. I show you exactly what it does and then I end the video. Okay. Yeah guys, it's back together. Yeah, that was not successful. Let me show it. I've here it, that's AV. On AV I get a signal, but black screen. You see, I get a signal. I tried to reset the graphics, but that didn't change anything. So that's on AV. If I unplug it, no signal. If I plug it in, I get a signal, but black screen. And if I plug in composite component, no signal at all. Yeah, I tried to reset the graphics, but that didn't change anything. At least the disk drive is working now. So all my cables are working. If I plug it in here, in the one I fixed before, this is working fine. So yeah, I give up on this. Maybe some of you know something about this problem. Maybe a dead chip, I don't know. If you know something about this problem, please let me know down in the comments. Yeah guys, so that was not successful, but yeah, it can't be always successful. And I want to show the unsuccessful repair or repair attempts too. So nevertheless, I hope you liked the video anyway. If you like it, give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing if you haven't already. Again, thanks very much for watching this video and I see you in the next one. Bye.